All right, folks, Paulie here in LA, which is Lower Alabama. I am a man and I make decisions. And it is hot and muggy. I came out here in the garage to do a little bit more cleaning. Yeah, I don't have a whole lot in here that needs cleaning, but it doesn't take much to clean it either. Yeah, that workbench, I'm not selling it. I'm gonna give it to one of the pastors at our church, as well as the weights and that dipping pull-up chin-up bar apparatus there. I'm gonna just give them this stuff. And do I want to give it away? Part of me says no, because why? Well, here's the reason. That refrigerator we got in the back patio, we're going to bring it into the garage, as well as at some point it'll be my Pecos smoker. It's going to go in the garage too, because we're going to be leaving, and you don't want to leave anything out there really, because this place is suspect to hurricanes, and yeah, I don't want anything out there in the event of a hurricane. And you know, if a hurricane comes, got the Guapo nephew, hopefully he could help us and put the covers over the windows. Yes, it's a gold fortified house. It's got these like Kevlar, almost like a Kevlar type covering for every window and doorway. So in the event of a storm, you put them over it, and kind of protects things. Not guaranteed. And as I already showed you before, the garage is gold fortified by having these beams. The roof is it's got a lot more support than any other house you'll find. And just little things make it gold fortified. Now, if we were to put a doggy door, that's if we had a dog, into that door, that gold fortified certificate would go away. True story. So, how do I know that? Because someone did that. And gold fortification does make your insurance go down. So, yeah, yesterday, or the day before, no, you know what, last 3 days it's been raining a lot, but I did manage to cut the grass. And yeah, I did cut it yesterday. Looks pretty good. Did find some weeds. I'm appalled. And I sprayed some weed killer on it. I know, life of an old man, huh? And then over here, flower bed's looking good. Those plants are growing like crazy. High heat and humidity, it'll help every time. And in the backyard, I planted this guava tree. That one, it was sitting in the front yard for quite a while in the flower bed inside of a pot, but I planted it in the backyard. And these plants here, if I can remember what they are, I think this one is papaya. No, it's not papaya, different leaves. I can't remember. All I remember is this one, and it is oregano. And it smells so good if you just touch them leaves. Put it to your nose. I still need to cut the grass back there. And man, it's hot. I'm going through the Philippines weather, or Philippines temperature trials, because this is like practice being in the Philippines. It's hot. Yeah, you come out here, your hat gets soaked, your shirt gets wet, and your pork and beans get soaking wet too. Now, since I'm cleaning up, I was going through my camera box. I showed you guys that not too long ago. But this camera, the Canon, what is it called? Canon Vixia HFR R700. This is a camera I used when we went to the Philippines in 2020. The videos were terrible. They were shaky. There's no stabilizer in this camera at all. And yeah, I was about to throw it away. And I started thinking, you know what, maybe it's just a battery or something like that, because I have another battery. Now the one that was in it would take a charge, but the camera wouldn't turn on. So I put in the other battery. It needed a charge, it took a charge. The camera works like a dream. So I'm glad I didn't throw it away. Just a matter of having the battery. Now, can I find another battery in case this one takes a crap on me? I don't know. But I don't see myself really using this camera too much because, I don't know, the picture's not as good as this Sony that I'm using right now. And no stabilizer, but it does have that viewfinder right here, which is a pretty cool feature. But yeah, before this I had two, what do you call them? The Hero 4 and the Hero 3 GoPro. I don't like GoPro. I think they're junk. I don't care which version you get. I think they're almost the same. Yeah, the later one's got a better picture, but nothing compares to the Sony FDRX 3000. Sadly, Sony doesn't make action cameras anymore. Yeah, cleaning out the garage, and I put these fishing rods up there. It's nothing that's really a plan or anything permanent, but kind of out of the way. Got the other two over here. Well, that one's kind of out of place, isn't it? And yeah, maybe I'll find something more permanent. You heard what I said? Find something. I didn't say something, I said something. I gotta stop talking like that. There will be more room once I get rid of that chin-up bar and the bench. But then we're putting more stuff in. It's a glorious hot day with humidity, and I'm liking it. See y'all in the next one.